Welcome back to Stock Forward, the channel where we spot the smart moves before the crowd piles in. If you were kicking yourself for missing Palantir's massive run as it turned into the AI powerhouse of 2025, here's your second chance right now in January 2026. There are stocks quietly building momentum just like Palantir did early on. With strong fundamentals in edge AI, IoT, and next-gen networks, still trading under $10 or at bargain levels, ready to explode higher this year? These aren't random gambles. They're backed by real growth drivers like expanding AI adoption at the edge, drone and unmanned systems booming, and telecom infrastructure ramping for 6G and beyond. If you're a new investor just getting started in the stock market, this is perfect for you. Affordable entries with serious upside potential. Hit that like button if you're ready to level up your portfolio. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you catch every alert. And let's jump straight into my top 3 picks that could be the next big runners in 2026. First up is Lantronix, ticker LTRX. Currently trading around the $6 range. Well, under $10 and looking primed for a breakout? This company is deep in industrial IoT and edge AI, delivering secure connectivity for smart cities, enterprise IT, defense drones, and unmanned systems. Exactly the kind of mission-critical tech that's exploding as AI moves from big data centers out to the real world. Just like Palantir scaled on powerful data platforms, Lantronix is gaining traction with edge intelligence right on devices, reducing cloud dependency and boosting speed and security. They recently ramped up drone OEM engagements from 10 to 17 in one quarter, signaling accelerating adoption, and their revenue guidance for early 2026 is climbing with more recurring SaaS-like income kicking in. Analysts see this as a lean, high-growth play in verticals like defense and smart infrastructure, where demand is only getting stronger. If edge AI keeps its momentum, and all signs point to yes, this could easily deliver multiples from here, mirroring those early Palantir believers who got in cheap before the surge. Keep an eye on breakouts above recent highs. This one's still flying under the radar for most retail investors.
Next is Nokia, ticker NOK, sitting around $6.50. Right now, classic, undervalued tech giant that's quietly rebuilding into a powerhouse for 5G, private networks, and AI-optimized telecom gear. Everyone wrote Nokia off after the old phone era, but they're back strong with infrastructure that's essential for the exploding data traffic from AI, IoT devices, and next-gen connectivity. Earnings have been surprising to the upside, with consensus upgrades flowing in for 2026. As governments and enterprises double down on secure, high-speed networks, think defense ties and enterprise tailwinds that echo Palantir's government-to-commercial pivot. Nokia's balance sheet is solid. There's even a small dividend kicker for patient holders. And as 6G starts ramping while AI drives more bandwidth needs, this could deliver a serious rebound. It's affordable, low-risk compared to pure spec plays, and perfect for new investors wanting exposure to the connectivity backbone of the AI revolution without paying premium prices. For the third pick, let's go with a strong undervalued contender in the AI supply chain that's still accessible, something like an edge, semiconductor, or IoT enabler. But based on the trends, indie plays or similar names in power management and sensors for AI devices are heating up quietly. One that fits the bill is a name like ON Semiconductor, or a comparable under-the-radar chip stock trading at a discount to its AI edge potential, often in the sub-$10 to low double-digit range relative to peers. These are the picks and shovels plays powering the sensors, power efficiency, and hardware for EVs, industrial AI, and edge computing. While the big names like NVIDIA grab headlines, these quieter ones lagged in 2025, but are positioned for a 2026 comeback as AI spreads everywhere beyond data centers. Cycle turns, undervalued multiples, and real demand from unmanned systems and smart tech make this a classic setup like Palantir's pre-explosion phase ignored by many, essential to the build-out. There you have it, 3 stocks quietly setting up like Palantir before its big move. Lantronix for edge AI and IoT acceleration, Nokia for telecom infrastructure dominance, and an undervalued AI hardware play for the supply chain upside. These are still cheap entries in early 2026, ideal for new investors starting small, while aiming for big gains as AI and connectivity trends accelerate. Which one are you adding to your watch list first? Drop it in the comments below, share your thoughts, and let's discuss. If this video helped you spot opportunities, smash that like, subscribe to Stock Forward for more market insights, and hit the bell. We've got 2026 trend breakdowns and hidden gems coming soon. Invest smart, stay forward, and I'll see you in the next one.